Alright guys, we're here in Southwest Virginia, fishing one of my favorite rivers. This river here, it's got wild browns and some wild rainbows, and it's got stocked rainbows in it too. And they've stocked it this year, but it's been a couple months back. But yeah, we're just picking along here. I've caught one already, or I'm sorry, I've caught three already, but I've only got one of them on film. Caught a wild brown, a wild rainbow, and then I got the stocked rainbow on film. But yeah, I'm just throwing this double dropper here, indicator down to pheasant tail, and they've actually been hitting the size 20 midge is what they've been hitting. So I didn't know what to expect today, so I didn't start out filming. I didn't know if I'd catch anything really. Just cold, it's overcast, all that stuff. But yeah, seems like we're gonna have a good day. I haven't been here about 30 minutes and already caught three, kind of hopefully maybe found a pattern. So let's just keep picking along here. Let's see what happens. Danny! There's one, guys. That's a pretty good fish. What is that? It's a stalker rainbow. Nice, guys. That one hit a size 20 purple. Ooh, that's a pretty fish. Get this thing up here, I'll show you. Look at that rainbow, guys. Wow. Check out the colors on that dude. I hope it shows up. He's a pretty fish. Size 20 purple midge. There's one. Goodness. Real little bitty dude. I don't know what he is. I have to guess he's probably a brownie. Yep, he's a brownie. Well, he hit that size 20 purple. Let me get him up here. Little bitty guy. It's okay. It's hopeful, right? Nice. Size 20 midge purple. Cool. That's number 4. There's one. Nice. Nice. Let's see. That one there hit the same thing. Guys, they're on that purple day. I'm going to have to switch my top fly over because I haven't had no luck on that yet. That one there's another brownie now. All these are small ones. There's some big ones in here. Yes, I wet my hands. There's some big ones in here, but you know, we're just starting out. So fish is fish, and if little ones are hitting it, maybe we can get on some big ones. I'll switch around here later, but we'll catch some numbers first, and then maybe we'll try to chase some bigger ones. Down there hit a size 20 purple midge. Pretty little brown. There's one, guys. Alright. Kind of caught me off guard. Nice. Rainbow. And there hit let's see, size 20 brown midge. I'll get my mains here. There you go. Pretty fish. Cool. There's one. All right. Nice. There's a pretty rainbow. Oh, come on, buddy. Here we go. That one there actually hit the pheasant tail. Nice. Off pheasant tail. Cool. There's one, guys. All right. Cool. Oh, don't get in that. From there, I actually hit a hare's ear. Cool. Pretty rainbow. Come on, buddy. I'll get you. Check that joker out. Boy, he's pretty. Nice. There's one, guys. Right. Trying to mend my line there. Did a bad job at mending, but anyways, he hit it when I mended it. Ah, nice brownie. Cool. And there hit a, let's see, that's size 18 purple midge. Good. Pretty trout. Wow. Cool. There's one, guys. What is that one? Now there's a little brownie, I believe. Yep. Oh, he's a pretty thing. Little brownie. Cool. There's one. Right. Nice. Oh, he's off. Darn. That's a pretty good fish. Crap. There's one. All right. What do we got here? A little brownie. Oops, come on, little buddy. Cool. Pretty one. There you go. Hit a size 20 purple midge. There's one. Little bitty guy. Little bitty guy. He hit a size 18 purple midge. Little. Alright guys, that's it for today. Looks like a little bit of rain has set in. Jay's calling for it, so going to head towards the house. But had a good day. Ended up catching 13. Nothing real big, but nonetheless, still a fun day. Caught some pretty trout. Had a good time. So probably the hot fly for the day, I would say, was number 20 and number 18 size purple midge. So had probably the best luck off that. But anyways, until next time.